so our reno progress is almost completed, and I just want to show you guys like some of the newer stuff that just came in. Alright, so this is the master bedroom. So our wardrobe just came in. Just a very simple like monochrome style, like really long wardrobe. So we have like 4 panels, and then there's a few drawer compartments, hang racks and all that. And a mirror. Yep, so the last pane is actually a fixed panel, because if we open it any further, it will hit the thick wall on that side. So we just decided to keep it like that. Yeah, so just a really basic one. And then we'll move on to the toilet. So yeah, everything is in. No, sorry, except for the toilet bowl and shower, I guess. Yeah, so I have this like light panel on the middle part of this mirror for me to do my makeup, because I don't like to like stand up. Sorry, I don't like to sit down and you're so far away from the mirror. So I think this is a better option. And then this is where I'll hide my makeup and other stuff, I guess. We have this like really nice lighting at the bottom part as well. Let me just open this. Yep, so ta-da! So for the other bedroom, it's about the same. Okay, so this side table drawer thingy just came in. And then we have built-in cabinets as well. So the same 4 long panels. And then just a very basic like shelving and your racks. And then, yeah. Okay, there's a mirror here as well. Hey! Yeah, drawers and shelves all around with 2 racks, and then a little compartment at the top of these 2 wardrobe. Okay, let's move on to the toilet. So for the common toilet, the lights are already installed too. Yep, so pretty much the same configuration. Okay, the cabinet is in. Yeah, and then same. There's a mirror here with like some shelf and a lighting over here. So we're just waiting for the toilet bowl and the shower rack to be in too. So the whole house is like painted with the first coat of paint, so we're just waiting for all the furnitures to come in. And then we have the second round of painting. Okay, so this is our TV console. This wall is painted grey, just to flush it nicely. Okay, so this is our dining light. It's a very long like statement piece. And then we're just waiting for like our table to come in, because we have a very nice like long table. It'll go very nicely with this light. Okay, so for the kitchen, they're installing the tap now, so I can't really go in. But they pretty much installed all the oven, microwave, all the shelving is up. And then we have our own dishwasher. Okay, we're still waiting for the bloom system to be fixed up nicely. Okay, so we have the fridge here. It's a decent sized fridge with a mirror finish. Not sure if you guys can see because it's a bit dark now. Yeah, so it's just like a 4-door normal fridge. And I can see myself again. Okay, we haven't really set up this yet, so nothing's inside. Okay, it's not even cold yet. Okay guys, so that is the end of our current progress. I think we are very close to completing our reno. So I think the next update will be when our house is like ready with all the furnitures coming in, and then we can do a full house tour. See you in the next episode. Bye!